And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. In today's video, I'm doing a nice little get ready with me. Since it's Valentine's Day in a couple of days, I wanted to show you guys what I'd be wearing for Valentine's Day, what I'll be doing for Valentine's Day. This will be like a little get ready with me chit chat. I'll be doing my hair, my makeup, and I'll be showing you guys what I'll be wearing. I don't really have anything planned for Valentine's Day. I wish I did, but no cutesy 5-star date for me. I'll probably just be spending with my girls. We'll have like a nice little girls night. But yeah, this is like the final look. This is what my eyes is looking like. Face beat to the gods. I just really wanted to like pop out, look my best self because I'm feeling good. Why not look good? It's Valentine's Day, you know, day of love, day of spending with your significant other. Even if you don't have a man's and if you're not doing anything, I still think it's a great idea to like dress yourself up, look cute, feel cute, go out, you know, just do something fun, whether that be with your girls, with your mans, or by yourself. Just make sure you are your best self, looking your best, feeling your best, and you know, just having a good time. It's Valentine's Day, so why not go out with a bang? I'm throwing something a little different, a little spicy, a little sexy. So that's what I had in mind, and this is my banging outfit. This is what I was going for. This is the look for today. It is nothing special. This is just a nice silky bodysuit. I got it from Boohoo. I paired it with this nice fur coat. It makes me look a little expensive, look like I got some money, even though I'm like balling on a budget in college and not that expensive. I like it. It's nice and festive for Valentine's Day. But if you guys like this look, go ahead and keep watching and I'll show you guys how I accomplished this look or whatever. So when I'm usually getting ready, I usually do my hair last. Either I get dressed or do my makeup first. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my hair first, just because I don't want it to look dead and flat for this whole video. I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair. Yeah, I would straighten it, but it is a tad on the oily side. So let's go ahead and get started because I want to transform my hair. I'm using a curling iron. It's called Power IQ. I don't know where I got it. I'm pretty sure I stole this from my mom. Actually, I'm 100% sure I stole it from my mom, but she probably just got it from like a beauty supply store because that's where we usually get our hair products from. I don't want to ruin my curls or texture of this hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some heat protectant. I just want a nice soft curl to my hair. I don't want anything like too tight and too small, so I am taking bigger pieces, as you can tell. And no, I'm not a pro at curling my hair, so please do not make fun of me. This is how I do it. It works for me, so I'm just gonna keep doing what I know because this is the only way I know how to curl my hair. I really like how these curls are coming out. They look like little Shirley Temple curls, but of course they aren't gonna stay like this. I'm gonna go ahead and brush those through when I'm done. But as of right now, I'm really liking these like Shirley Temple curls. They look really cute. So now that my curls are done, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a quick, nice little brush because I don't want the curls to be too tight. I just want them to be a little on the looser side. And they will fall like throughout the day, so no need to worry about that. I just want to make sure they're all flowing the right way, looking cute. Yeah. Last thing, can't forget them baby hairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and slick down my edges and then we can move on to makeup. Okay, so now that my hair is fully ready, edges laid, you know, just looking like halfway there to a baddie, okay? Since my eyebrows are already done, I did those off camera because I don't know if you're like me, but if you are, it takes me a long ass time to do my eyebrows. So now that those are done, I'm just gonna go ahead and start on my eye makeup. I'm taking my Modern Renaissance palette, and what other palette to use besides this one for Valentine's Day, since it's nice and pink. I know mine's a little messed up right now. There's a lot of makeup on it, so it lost its cute pinkness, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. I'm gonna be taking the shade Antique Bronze and just putting that all in my crease, doing that little windshield wiper technique. Make sure it's all in there in that crease. I'm now going to take the palette by Too Faced. This is their Chocolate Bun Bun collection. It looks like this. And little side note, if you don't have one of their palettes like this, it smells exactly like chocolate. It smells so good. But I'm going to go in and use the shade Bordeaux. I don't know if I'm actually pronouncing that right, but that's how it looks like it's spelled. Just to build up that like bronzy burgundy shade. Like I was saying earlier, I've never actually had any Valentine's Day plans. I've never really had like a boo thing for Valentine's Day, so I usually just chill with my girls. We have like a little girls' night and just do something with each other, because this holiday is all about love and stuff. I love my friends, so I don't mind spending it with them and having girls' night, because who am I without my girls, you know? Usually my mom is my Valentine, and she will always forever be my Valentine. I had a boyfriend in like high school. We were both so young that like we didn't know what to do. So I just got a little card, some chocolates. That was cute and all, but I'm older now. I want to do something fun. But unfortunately that's not the case. So I want the center of my eye to be like the center focus for this look today. So I'm going to be taking my concealer by Too Faced, the Born This Way concealer, and I'm going to start my cut crease. I want just a nice vivid like red, pink, purpley color in the center, since it will be the main focus of my eye today. So I'm now about to go back into my Modern Renaissance palette and take the shade Love Letter. I want to get a good bit of that on my brush, just so I can get a nice vivid color on the center of my eyelids. Now that my color is done, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Antique Bronze, which is that nice brown burgundy color, and just make sure that color is all blended in. Make sure there's no harsh lines or anything like that. I'm now about to take my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife shade and apply that right in the center of my eye. Okay, well that's it for my eyeshadow. I am going to, of course, clean up all this fallout. I am gonna also add some eyeliner, and I'm gonna do that off camera because I tend to mess up, and it'll just be a faster process if I go ahead and do this off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead, come back with eyeliner, mascara, and my lashes, and then we can move on to my face. Okay, now that I'm fully done with my eyes, I can go ahead and get started moving on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with Professionals, one of my favorite primers. So in today's look, I'm going to be using my go-to, my holy grail, my Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm going to apply that straight on a damp beauty blender. If you don't have Fenty by Rihanna, I suggest you do so. Like, go get that sis ASAP. I actually need to go and get their concealer because I heard that is like bomb, and I love concealer. So I'm gonna need to go ahead and like purchase me some Fenty concealer, because what are you doing, sis? Ooh. No, I was not picking my nose. I had a little itch. I got the crap knocked out of my nose and practiced the other day, and it is extremely sore. So even just doing my makeup, like right now, my nose is crying because it is in so much pain. I didn't break it, but it's just really sore because it got hit. So I'm like, please don't touch my nose, don't touch my face, because everything just hurts like hell. So I'm not sure what's wrong with my camera, but it just died on me again. But it is okay because I have my handy dandy phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and take that under my eyes, only because I want to highlight my face and make sure, you know, this is a fully glam look. Like, what's a full glam look without concealer, you know? And like I mentioned earlier, sorry if I'm like looking all over the place. I have like 3 mirrors out right now, so I'm just looking all over the place. Don't mind me, please, honestly. So back on the topic of Valentine's Day, like I said, I've never really had like a boo or done anything special for Valentine's Day. I just hang out with my friends. So like, what is there actually to do for Valentine's Day? I usually just see people go out to dinner or go to like nice events. I don't know. I don't really know what to do for Valentine's Day, but please let me know down in the comment section and let me know, what do you guys usually do for Valentine's Day? Because your girl wouldn't know. I've never been taken out on a nice date for this occasion. I just, you know, been chilling with my friends. We usually go do fun things together, have like a movie night, or just, you know, have little festive things, festive candy, chocolates, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I would love to do something nice and cutesy and special for this day, but I don't have a boo. In the past, I've always been like single for Valentine's Day, so I don't really know what it is there to do. Like, what are y'all favorite restaurants to go to? But a little side note, since I did not say, I am using the Anastasia contour palette. This is the Tan Too Deep palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and carve my face. I'm sorry, this lighting is really bad. My dumb camera decided it didn't want to work and did not want to charge. But we're gonna make this work. Guys, I am so out of order. I totally forgot to set my face after I put on concealer, but I'm about to go ahead and use my setting powder by Patrick Starr and apply that everywhere where I applied my concealer. I don't know how I forgot this step, but I need to do better. Okay, so now that my face is all set and powdered up, I'm gonna go back in with my contour kit, my powder contour kit, and I'm going to just go back over those same spots because I just want to go ahead and carve out my face just a little bit more. What is a full glam look without a nice contoured face? Like, you just gotta do it, you know? So I'm about to contour that nose because we have to contour our noses. We gotta look snatched. We have to look snatched for the occasion. So I'm taking my same contour kit and I'm going to be snatching my nose. And no, it does not look this dark. I don't know why in the world it looks this dark on camera, but honestly, truly, it does not look this dark. Please do not believe the hype. I don't know what's wrong with my lighting right now, and I truly apologize, but it does not look this dark, I promise you. See. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe away all this excess powder. So now that my face is almost completely done, I'm gonna go ahead and use my setting powder and my damp beauty blender, and I'm going to go ahead and just make sure everything is pressed all in there, make sure everything is set, make sure my makeup does not move throughout the day, okay? I'm gonna also go ahead and spray my face, covering my eyes because I don't want all my colors to blend. Just to give me a more dewy look, you know? Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush and highlight. I'm going in with my NARS blush. This is in the shade Outlaw. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush because what's cuter than rosy cheeks, honestly? I love some rosy cheeks. Now that my cheeks are nice and rosy, it is time to apply my favorite of all, my most prized possession, my highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my highlighting brush. I'm gonna be using my MAC. My lighting is terrible, you guys. This is basically just the MAC Holiday Collection highlighter. And I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. And honestly, is there a thing as too much highlighter? I don't think there is. Some people might, but like, I like to go all in when it's a full glam look with a lot of highlighter. I just want to be like, you know, the showstopper of the night, basically. Girl, hunty, please, yes, continue, more highlighter. Oops. Remember that thing I said about there's no such thing as too much highlighter? I might have just put a little bit too much on my nose. I'm looking like Rudolph right now. But it's okay. It is okay. There we go. Just, you know, I'll just go back and add that on my cheeks. Okay, so now that my face is almost complete, I gotta add my lips, and then we'll move on to clothing. I wanna show you guys what I'm wearing for Valentine's Day. So I'm going for that ombre effect on my lips, so I'm just lining them with the shade Chestnut by MAC. And then I'm gonna apply a lighter shade in the middle just for that nice ombre effect. And in the center, I'm just gonna be taking some MAC lip gloss. This is one of Patrick Starr's shades. It does not have the name on it because it definitely wore away. Yeah, I definitely can't see the name of this, but it was like one of the first shades that Patrick Starr dropped. This is it. And I'm just gonna be taking that in the inside of my lips. So now that my hair and my makeup is completely done, this is what the final look looks like. It is time for me to get dressed, and since it is Valentine's Day, girl, you need to pop the fuck out, and that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to put on my little sexy outfit. It's Valentine's Day, so you have to dress for the occasion. Like, even if you're not going on a date with your mans, it's Valentine's Day. It's a day about love, looking cute, looking sexy. So I'm about to put on my little outfit or whatever. It's nothing honestly too special. Like, honestly, truly, it's not that cute, but like, I think it's cute. It's all about looking your best and being your best self. So I'm about to go ahead and get changed and show you guys the final look. And just like that, I am done. I am ready. I am ready to go on my expensive date. I'm ready to go take on the world and turn a little heads while I'm out it, you know? But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have any questions about anything or just want to talk to me, go ahead and ask away in the comment section. I love getting comments from you guys. It means a lot to me, just getting nice positive feedback. Also, don't forget to tell me what you did for Valentine's Day, where you went, who you went with. I would love to know. So go ahead and tell me down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.